Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you a nice side hustle for 2019 that you can work from your home and make up to $140 per hour. Alright, so stick around, you're going to want to see this. Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Kevin Lehner of freedommotivator.com, and if this is your first time here today, make sure you reach down there and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to ding dong that bell so you get notified when we post new videos, okay? Alrighty, also what we do here, if this is your first time here, we do how-to videos, affiliate marketing videos, entrepreneurship videos, general value videos, and once in a while we throw in motivational videos to help you as well, okay? And pretty much anything to do with making money online from the comfort of your home. Which leads me up to today's video here. I'm going to show you a nice little side hustle here today that you can start actually right now and for 2019, and you can make up to $140 per hour on average, okay? And we'll go ahead and get right on into this here. It's not going to be a very long video today, just kind of short one here. I found something that I want to show to you here that I think will be really good if you need to make some pretty good money, because this isn't extra money. This could be a full-time job at $140 per hour on average. If you do 3 or 4 of these a day, that's about close to $400 a day, so that's pretty good income for you, okay? So I wanted to give you some value here and show this to you today. Alright, so let's go ahead and get right on in on this. It's a website called respondent.io. You can see it up here in the address bar. Respondent.io. It's something similar. They do research. You do research with companies. They have companies that do research with them on their products and various things that they have, and they hire people like you that are interested in working from home, that are interested in participating in these research studies that they do. Alrighty, and like I was saying here, you can sign up here at respond.io. It's the fastest way to find high-paying research opportunities. And to date, they've already paid out over $2,343,000 to people such as yourself that like to participate in these type of research studies, which a lot of people, you may have already heard of this. A lot of people know this is also something similar to what's called focus groups, focus study, focus groups, those type of things. The average interview length is about 30 minutes in length, and then the average hourly payment is $140 on average, okay? So you could make up to $140 per hour if you did 2 or 3 of these a day. Like I said, it could be pretty good income for you. All right, and here's pretty much how it goes about it right here. You want to verify your profile. They want you to connect your LinkedIn or your Facebook profile to respondent so that they can verify your demographic and employment data. It's quick and easy, they say. And then you get matched. Their algorithm that they have will match you with research studies that fit your particular profile. And you can also browse projects and participate in those too that you that you find that you might be interested in, so on and so forth. Okay, and then of course you want to participate. You get invited to the study. You can select the time that fits your schedule. So that's kind of interesting. This company is willing to work around your schedule instead of you following theirs. Okay, that's kind of a benefit there, I'd say. And then you get paid after the participation. It says afterwards you get paid automatically to your PayPal account. So they'll pay you by a PayPal. And the respondent.io only collects a 5% fulfillment fee on the incentive paid. So if it's $140 $40 that you made for that one particular hour or whatever for that participation, that research study, figures 5% of that's what, $7, right? So $7 that they would take out of that, so you still make $133 in that hour, right? It's not too bad actually. Like I said, you do 3 or 4 of those a day, or 2 or 3 a day, you're still making pretty good income doing this little bit of work here. All right, now also they have an affiliate. This works also as affiliate type of operation as also. Is you can refer friends into this, and then if they sign up under with your affiliate link, then you get a cut of the money that they earn, or the jobs that they do. So see, it's sort of, so you could end up even making it more. I mean, if you, let's say if you signed up somebody, or 2 or 3 people, and you decide you didn't want to do any studies for 3 or 4 days, and your referrals do studies for those 3 or 4 days, you're still going to make pretty good money, I would say, because you're getting a certain percentage of what they do, right? So that's a pretty good thing. And then you can click on learn more about it, and it'll tell you, about referrals here. Average referrals pays $50. Total referrals they've almost paid, that's almost $1 million here. So yeah, that could be pretty lucrative too. The more people you sign up, the more money. You may not even have to do any work. You just sign these people up underneath of you, and you don't even have to do this if you don't want to, and still make money. So that's a pretty good deal actually. Sign up and refer friends, and then share your referral link and get paid. Once your referred friend has participated and been paid, you will be paid your referral bonus. On average, referral bonus is $50 paid to you via PayPal. So see, yeah, you could imagine if you get, the more people you got signed up to this, you wouldn't even have to do this if you didn't feel like it for a few days. You just didn't want to do it, even though they sent you invites to participate in these research studies, and you just don't take them up on the offer. But your referrals do. They do their offers, or when they get participation offers, you're still going to make money, and it looks like pretty good money actually. Okay, so yeah, that's a pretty good deal there. Pretty good deal. Now they've got frequently asked questions on here for both researchers and so on and so forth. Now some of the companies, I meant to show you that back here. Some of the companies that they work with is listed right here. Some of these are pretty popular companies. Intercom, Oracle, Dropbox, IBM, Microsoft, all these, Airbnb, SendGrid, which is a email marketing autoresponder company, Square, and GoDaddy. Everybody's heard of GoDaddy, right? So all these companies here, as well as others, they've got a see more button here, work with this company called Respondent.io, using people like you to participate in surveys about their particular products, or see what you think about their products, and how well you like the products, and whatever it may be. Just basically, it looks like it's just doing interviews with them, and if you've already used their products, then you can give them good feedback, and maybe you have some suggestions on how they might make their product better in the marketplace. See, and that they'll value your opinion on those too. Okay. So anyway, some of the frequently asked questions for respondents, such as what you would want to do. Some of these are quite a few here. I'm not going to go through each one of these different things here. You can check this out if you go to respondent.io. You can find it. But they've got the overview, account and privacy, participation in studies, scheduling, and about your payments, and your referrals for your affiliate referrals, and different things here about it, and so on and so forth, that you can check out. But yeah, that's pretty much what I wanted to show you guys today. Pretty neat site I found here. A way to make money, a nice little side hustle for 2019. You can actually start it now. and get into it. And it's a nice little side hustle to get involved in. Okay, so that's pretty much what I had for you today, guys. Just a quick short video to give you some value on this particular website here that you can get involved in and make yourself some pretty darn good money. Okay, all right, guys. Well, hey, if you like this video and you got some value out of it and you think it'll help you, reach down there and hit the thumbs up button for me if you would. I appreciate it. Also, don't forget to check out my links down in the description below. You can see my #1 recommended business and get over $3,600 worth of bonuses to check that thing out. Okay, and there's plenty of other links down there of videos that I have that will help you out. They're good value videos to help you out, as well as some trainings down there and so on and so forth. So that's what I had for you today, guys. Make sure you come on back, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days on the next video. Okay, all right, you guys take care, and I'll see you later. Bye bye now.